observes. He questions. He investigates.
What does this button do?
Super Grover 2.0. He shows up. Somewhere under the sea, an octopus and a shrimp are about to be bowled over by a big problem.
All right, Larry, put the pins down.
You got it, Linda. Where are they going?
Oh, no. It looks like we're never going to be able to bowl underwater.
Help! Super Grover 2.0! You showed up!
Yes, even underwater, the super soggy superhero heeds the call for assistance. Now, what seems to be the problem?
We're trying to do some bowling.
But can't seem to keep the pins down.
Perhaps you have faulty pins. But worry not, I shall unleash my power of observation. Let me see one of those. Yeah. Looks hard and heavy. Perfect to bowl with. Ooh. Aha!
Wow.
My super senses observe it flew away.
Well, I think when something rises, it's called floating, Super Grover.
Then we simply need to keep the pins from floating away. Hand me those, please.
What are you going to do, Super Grover?
I am going to hold these pins down. All right, little shrimpy, bowl away.
If you say so, Super Grover.
I do. Oh, wait a minute. I do not want to get bowled over.
Oh, it didn't work.
Looks like we can't use pins to bowl underwater.
So, the question is, what can you bowl with underwater that will not float away?
Yeah, that's the question, all right. You got any suggestions?
Let me check my utility sock. Aha! Perhaps we can use a banana.
Will that work?
I have no idea. We must unleash the power of investigation. Will the banana sink or float? What is your hypothesis?
What's up? Hypothesis.
A hypothesis is a thoughtful guess. So, what is your hypothesis? Will the banana sink so it can be bowled with or float away?
Gee, I don't know, Super Grover 2.0. I think a banana is kind of small, so it's going to float away too.
Yeah, so do I. That's my hypothesis.
Well, my super brain predicts that it will sink. But let us test our hypotheses. A flying banana!
A floating banana, Super Grover 2.0.
We're never gonna be able to bowl.
Do not despair! We shall continue the investigation! Perhaps we just need something bigger, yeah. Voila! A summer squash! What is your hypothesis? Do you think this bigger piece of produce will stay under or float away?
Well, it's bigger than a banana, but I think it's still kind of light and will float away.
Yeah, me too. That's my hypothesis.
Well, I, Super Grover 2.0, hypothesize that since this summer squash is bigger, it will sink and be perfect to bowl with. Well, squash that thought.
Aw, let's give up, Larry. We're never gonna be able to bowl.
A superhero never gives up. The investigation continues. Seems to be nothing left in here, except for this brick.
Ooh, are we gonna try it?
Nah, this is just for keeping me down when I am underwater. It is otherwise useless.
Oh, can I see it?
I do not see the point. I mean, it's no bigger than a squash, but be my guest, yeah. Wait a minute. What's going on? What's going on?
It may not be big, but if this brick helps keep Super Grover down, I think it probably sinks and won't float.
I do too. That's my hypothesis.
Let's check it out. It sinks!
Down, boy! Down, boy! There must be something else in here, but aha! No, it's just another couple bricks that help keep me down.
Oh, we'll take them.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, knock yourself out. Not again!
Okay, Linda, bowl away.
Here it comes, Larry!
Yay! We did it, Super Grover 2.0! The bricks made perfect pins.
How about what? They did? Well, of course they did!
And so Super Grover learned that size doesn't matter when figuring out what sinks or floats.
All in a day's work for... All in a day's work for... Oh, Super Grover 2.0.